Hey guys, Mars from MRC here. We thought we'd make another little video for you guys. We had a Mercedes A-Class in a W176 A200. That came in for three things. Firstly, the front wipers weren't working. Secondly, the rear parking sensors weren't working. And thirdly, it came in for a stage 1 remap. Now let's talk about the remap first. We do some performance and eco remaps here. For this A-Class, the customer decided to go for the performance remap. Now these stock produce 136 horsepower along with 300 Newton meters of torque. Now we bumped that up to 170 horsepower and 380 Newton meters of torque, adding 34 horsepower and 80 Newton meters of torque. Secondly, the problem was the rear parking sensors. Now the parking sensors on this A-Class, we did do a little time-lapse video for you guys, and you can watch that later. And what the problem was, there was two problems actually. One problem was the left inner parking sensor had actually failed, and the third problem was there was a wiring fault where the plug had corroded, which we will show you in the video, and we had to resolder that and put it back on, and then thankfully for the customer it did solve the problem. Thirdly, it did have the wiper fault. Now we do have the wiper assembly here. Now this wiper assembly, it comes as a whole from the dealer, and it all works on this motor here. Now this motor had actually failed internally, so we did source a new unit from the dealer with 2 years warranty for the customer, and we replaced that for him. As always guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share the video, and yeah, any more suggestions for the channel, any videos you'd like to see, just let us know in the comments, and hopefully we can make that happen for you guys.